we're going to start working with the first case, and this will be a rotating barrida. So we are going to do this. Side step we'll show you first. Rotation barrida into a regular resolution. We are going to start up with some tips. Side step, as we were mentioning, we are over rotating so we don't go against the line of dance. I'm going to release. Did you notice that my arm, I will talk about the embrace now at this first moment. I will pull and let go from my right side just a tiny bit. We don't have extra distance. We are not getting apart from her. We're still very close, but just release a little bit your hand. So from here we can catch her leg. Now at this moment, yes, in embrace we have a little bit of a space. And now from here we are going to lift her. So I will almost re-embrace a little bit and bringing her up. That way, as I step with my right foot around her. This is very important, lifting her. Can I rewind and do that one more time? Sorry, excuse me. After the barrida, I did the barrida here, and I need to re-embrace and share the axis with her. So here we go. One, and this is kind of the hardest part of this figure. And from here, we are going to draw a lapis, a circle, walking out into a cruzada. You already know that one. And then just a normal resolution.
Good for followers. We are going to the side step again. So I will do side on my right. And keep the leg straight. To feel this turn on your right leg, be careful, don't do this, don't make it softer. Lifting so you feel the rotation all on your ball of your foot, on your right foot, and keep the same distance with him, don't go away. So from here he will do the last move of your back ocho, and I feel to move the left leg back, I have to open the embrace on my left side, I have to let go. In order to not dragging him with me, let him be in his axis, I'm on my axis. And from here, we can feel the barrida on the front leg. Rotate first, make it softer, keep your foot together with his, and feel until the extension, the feet together. From here, I go on top of my back leg. So we are going to re-embrace, feel this. Re-embrace first. After this, we go up to keep pivoting with him on the right leg. So keep the weight on the right leg, don't change weight to the other one. And now we walk back, feet together, back to the cross, back side and resolution.
De la vieja calle Corrientes que ya no queda, café del cuarteto bravo de Graciano de Leone. A tus mesas caían Pirincho, Arola, Firmo y Pacho a escuchar tus tangos. Era el imán que atraía como el alcohol atrae a los borrachos. Café Domínguez de la vieja calle Corrientes que ya no queda.